Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks, and somebody's trying, this is all grouped together, and normally you can intersect this, and when he grabs everything, it doesn't, the intersect tool isn't available. And he told me how he made these lines, and that's part of the problem. He made them with the artistic media tool, and we go to view and look at it in wireframe, the line is still there. And I think that's what the problem is. So we're going to go back to view, go to enhance, and we're going to redo this line or get it pretty close. I am going to go to object, group, and ungroup, and I'm going to just keep one of the lines. Now I'm going to hold down the Alt key and swipe through there and select them all and hit delete. Now what I want to do is left click, right click, and go to object. Tell you what we're going to do. We're going to select it all. Go to object and break the artistic media apart. And there's that line. A lot of times it doesn't show up. So now we can fill that in with black, take away the outline. And then I'm going to try to reduplicate this as close as I can. So I'm going to hit Control D on the keyboard, and I'm going to move it slightly down. And then I'm going to hit Control D a lot, just enough to get the man in there. This will be a pretty cool effect, I think. Let's go to group, or go to object, group, and group. Then let's watch what happens with the intersect tool. Intersect tool's there now. Now it doesn't come out, it comes out as lines. So I'm not quite for sure what going on there. Let's left click, right click, and then intersect. I have to select everything. Yeah, it's just coming up with lines. That would still be a pretty cool effect. And if, I'm not sure, but if you wanted lines, you could take the Smart Fill tool and fill in every other line. Some of these lines, they're basically tapered, so I might be picking the wrong ones. Pretty cool effect. So I don't know if I'm helping him or not, but at least the intersect tool does work when you don't use, when you take the artistic media apart. And then you could always take away the outline and you just have that figure. Now I think that's what he's trying to do. Let's try it again. Let's take our figure. There's our outline. Let's make this a little smaller. See if we can't get these lines to taper a little bit more. Let's try the intersect tool again. Yeah, it's just doing the line. So if you ever wanted that, set your nudge factor and let's set on 8 inches. I'm going to nudge that over, and there's our lines. Now, we could just select it all and then right click a fill. Nope, that's not going to work. Anyway, I guess, I don't know. Let's try it one more time with the fill. Let's make these all black. Let's take away the outline this time. Then intersect it. Nope, it's still going to get a line. That might even be the look he's wanting. I do not know. There we go. We could do that. So you have do not move, nudge, nudge, and then select that and right click fill. Well, back up here. Whoop. Let's take away the outline. And then that way we'll just fill all these in with black, and they're going to fill in the lines themselves. And then hit your, if you want that outline, you may or may not even want the outline. But that way you've got a tapered look. through a running man. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.